So hello everyone, this is my first video on this YouTube channel, and today's topic is understanding. So in this video I want to share my views on what is understanding. So we all think that we understand what understanding is, but is that actually true? Let's find it today. So understanding, according to me, is something which is a very real thing. It is a very, you know, it's a very joyful thing to happen to a human being, because it is the greatest gift that a human being has got. The gift of understanding, not everybody or not every species in this existence of this universe, not everyone has this gift of understanding, but human beings do have that, because they have the ability to see something inside themselves by the indication of words, by seeing that the where the word is actually indicating uh, indicating the thing towards. So this is a very great gift. Leonardo Vinci, a great artist of all time, you know, quoted a quote which named, "The noblest pleasure in this world is the joy of understanding." So this quote means a lot in reality, because understanding is something which is, which you see as a human being. You see in yourself that when I say a bottle, so that word bottle actually is indicating inside your mind that it is creating an image of a bottle. It is that word is helping you to understand that the word bottle is trying to indicate on the object, which is the bottle. So this is the beauty of understanding. This is the beauty of words as well. So what is understanding? Understanding is beyond mechanical learning, the thing which we have been taught from our childhood, that just memorize whatever being said, just memorize. Don't understand, just memorize and go and write in your exams. So that is not real human's nature. The human nature is understanding, it is not memorizing. Human nature is to see the indication where the words are trying to give. And the movies, like Three Idiots, that movie is also trying to convey us that thought, that don't memorize, try to understand what is written in the books. If we start doing this thing, then I think our 99% of the problems start solving, because we start understanding life. When we start questioning ourselves, that whichever problem which are coming in our life, when we start questioning those problems, the thing that starts from that questioning is that we start understanding the problem. And once we start understanding the problem, that is where the magic begins. That is where the magic begins. Because if we understand the problem, it is obvious that we'll start the beginning of the solution of that problem. We'll start seeing the solution of that problem. So we must get detached from this mechanical way of learning that we have been taught, and we should start a journey on real learning instead of mechanical learning. So this is what I wanted to convey in this video. Understanding is a very deep thing, to understand. In Hindi we say that हमको समझना पड़ेगा कि समझते कैसे हैं. So this is beauty. So in today's video only this much I'll cover. In the next part I'll try to cover more. So thank you.